Want to find out how much it costs to gain each new customer? In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to calculate your customer acquisition cost using Selzy's free CAC calculator. Start by heading to Selzy.com. In the menu, go to Resources, Free Marketing Tools, and choose Customer Acquisition Cost Calculator. Or go directly to the link in the description. Start by entering your total marketing and advertising expenses over a specific period. This includes everything you've spent to attract new customers. Next, enter the number of new customers gained during the same period. This is essential for calculating your average acquisition cost per customer. Click Calculate. The tool will instantly show your customer acquisition cost, the average amount you're spending to bring in each new customer. CAC is compared to the customer's lifetime value, LTV. The only way to know whether you're getting customers profitably or at a loss is to calculate the LTV to CAC ratio. You can calculate the LTV using our tool. The link in the description too. Stay on top of your marketing performance. Visit Selzy.com and try the free customer acquisition cost calculator today.